Now that I've downloaded the Middletons Mouldings catalog, I am ready to start designing. I've already made a very basic kitchen layout, added my cabinets, a refrigerator, something very simple, but will still give you an idea of how to use our catalog in conjunction with any other cabinet manufacturers that you're using. So the first thing I'm going to do is go over to the left-hand corner, click the design info. I'm going to fill out all the relevant information, and this will be carried over to the report that I'm going to generate at the end that I'll send in as my purchase order. Okay, so from here, in the lower left-hand corner, I'll make sure that I'm on the Middletons Mouldings catalog. Going to double-click the moldings. I'm going to choose Top Moldings. And for this demonstration, I'll use the CMS. If I'm uncertain about what any of the moldings are, the dimensions, the pricing, I can right-click and it brings up all of the spec info. So here we have the crown molding small. I want to make that a little bit bigger. See the dimensions a little bit bigger. See the pricing. And I can do that for any of the moldings, accessories, panels. Everything in our 2020 catalog has that special right-click feature. So now I'm going to click on our cabinets. I'm going to make sure that the placement is above the cabinets. I'm going to drag and drop the crown molding small. I'll do the same thing over here. Now that I'm happy with the small crown molding that I've added on top of the cabinets, I'm going to click on the Items tab, go over to the Styles and Pricing, go to the Catalog Styles tab, double click on the wood species. For this, we'll make it cherry, and we'll just use amber on cherry. Next, I'm going to go over to the Price Levels tab, and it's very important that I match this up to the species that I had picked on the last tab, so that way when the order goes through, the pricing is correct. So now that I'm done with that, I click Close. I'm going to go over to the Presentation tab, click on Reports. I'm going to select the order form. Here I can customize this to have any project notes if I would have added them, customer information, anything that I want to be on that report that's getting sent over to Middletons. I want to make sure that it is on here. I'm going to click View. And here we have all the information that we had entered. Here we have the Middletons page. There are other pages that pertain to the cabinets or the refrigerator, but the only thing that's important for us when we're processing your order is that Middletons page. And we want to make sure that the cherry matches up and everything looks correct. It shows me my quantity, the price. If I'm happy with this, I'll go ahead and send it on to Middletons. If not, I can go back and change it. So since I'm happy with it, I can click the print button and I can print it out and I can fax it into Middletons for them to place the order. Or I can click the export. I can select PDF, click the export button and have it saved onto my desktop. And from there I can email it in to customerservice@middletonsllc.com. And that is how you order Middletons Mouldings on your 2020 design program.